Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. This is the new name, creativetradingsystems.com. All right, so I'm making this video about Bitcoin, only Bitcoin, okay? This is the chart I made on the 15th March. And let me show you that I sent out to this to my, to all of you, my subscribers, right? This is the email I sent out, pairs, charts, and template on March 15th. All you have to do is download the folder like this and open it like this. And then you see this pair charts, 315, double click, and you have it there. See this BU weekly? Double click on that, and this is the chart I'm talking about. Okay, so you had it there, and on when? March 15th. And I had a trade open here, and I recommended on the Telegram as well that, it's making a nice long setup on the 20-minute chart. The Bitcoin 20-minute chart, right? It's different than the others. And you all know that, my subscribers I'm talking about. So that was it. And since then, my target was this white line, which is, if you read that, it's 47,920, right? So what happened after that, I've been posting on the Telegram. This is the Telegram, right? You see, this is on March 15th. I posted here, Bitcoin is giving a nice long entry. And I took it, and I posted the trade. And after that, this was, see, nice entry, and trade is there. And then several messages whenever I found Bitcoin is making a long entry above this, and Bitcoin is making a long entry. That was the entry, and that was the trade. So again, Bitcoin is going up from this 41,218. It went up, and there was an entry, right? And I think, let me see, maybe more or not. No, all right. So these are okay here. See, Bitcoin may go up above 40. That was it, right? So my long setup. Okay, this is the one that I just posted on 28. BTC making a long setup again, right? So these are the I'm posting the setups on the Telegram for you to take it and look at it, and then you have the alarm, the system, and everything. And since then, since I posted, I gave you this chart, I'm acting on this as well. And there was a trade here. Then I had a trade on, I think that was it. That's the one, right? So it is on the 15th. Then I had a trade, and I posted on that, and I just showed you that this is on the 18th. Right, so it's been wobbling. Yeah, it goes up and then comes down and blah blah blah. It's a couple of entries actually here, and it went up nice and clean. And then you can see here, this was on the 24th, almost same looking entry again. Not two, one entry, right? Beautiful long setup. This was it, BTC USD on the 24th, which went long way, and then I think it's on the 27th, right? This is the one posted, and this one as well on the Telegram, saying that there's an entry here, and I took it, and it went up, came back, beautiful entry again. But since I was in here, so I don't have to take it. And then it went all the way up to 47.05 is the one that I says, okay, I'm going to stop here. That white line on that chart was what? Again, go look at that. It says 47,920, right? And the highest so far we made, this is the current chart right now, and highest we made is this candle high is what? 47,885, 47,920 I said, and we went up to 45,885. and 47 something. I think it was 47. What was my trade close? 47.05 actually, around that. It was to start to come down. So I says, okay, I'll close it, right? So it is 47.57. Actually, that white line was up there, 920. So it went up there to 8 something, and then start to come down. Says, okay, you know what? Bye bye. So that was my final chart, my final trade, and this is how it ended up on the today. And this is right now the current chart. The current chart I have, again, I posted. Remember, I posted there's a long, and I took it, and I'm positive on that one. And this one, I will probably take it from, if we break above and if my SL survive, then I will take it to 52,820 now, because it is coming exactly this whole drop to 61% around that. But be careful if you go there. Be careful about these numbers here. Around 50%, you have 49,500, so almost like 50. So 5313 and 5520, they can give you the hard time. Here, good. We break that, we go to 52,820. Okay, so that would be the target of the recent entry, and let's see. All right, so this is how it is. This is called plan your trade and trade your plan. This is plan the trade, and all those trades were trading the plan, and the plan is being completed. The target is hit. New plan actually is starting above this area for 52,820. Taking out these couple of numbers, if you can. These are just small numbers, right? So we have to take bypass these, and then we can easily go to 52,820. From there, it may drop to 23% line, right? As usual, we know that this is what the price does most of the time. Or it's a Bitcoin. So see here, it went up there, it dropped a little bit, and then went up. This is what I'm expecting. Gonna go up there, drop a little bit back here to 23% line to these lows here, and then go up again. And maybe this time we're gonna take out this high. If you go from, if you bounce from 23% line and go, but that is later. But right now, first, let's see if we can go to this 52,820. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week.